Hello and welcome to my tutorial. The new file wizard of MetaTrader 4 or 5 show this menu. It says, please select what you would like to create. There are many options like Expert Advisor Template, Script, etc. Expert Advisor versus Script. An EA executes its programming again and again on every price change in the chart, whereas a script executes its programming just once in the chart. Let's suppose we write a program that checks for chart price, and if it is within certain range, then it starts a sell trade. Now if that program is written choosing EA option, then it will keep on checking price in order to start a sell trade. However, if that program is written choosing script option, then it will check the price only once when it is dragged and dropped on the chart, in order to start a sell trade. And that's it. Let's move forward to second part of today's tutorial, and learn how to write a program in MetaTrader 4 or 5 to display a certain text as output on the MetaTrader terminal. We can choose any of Expert Advisor Template or Script here, but to make things simple for learning purpose, we choose Script. Give it a name, lec2. Finish. This file is opened for us. The program of script is written here within onStart function. Here we write this command. Comment. This is my lecture 2. At the end of each command, we must put a semicolon. This tells the program that our command has ended. Also note that the text data is always written within quotations. Now compile the program. No errors here. Now open MetaTrader terminal. Here we see our program file under scripts. Drag and drop it on chart. Here is our output on the chart. Now we modify our program to display the same text in another way, on the MetaTrader terminal. Instead of comment we write alert. Now compile it. Go to your MetaTrader terminal. Drag and drop on the chart. This time, we get our output on a pop-up window. Now we again modify our program to display the same text in another way. Instead of alert we write print. Now compile it. Go to your MetaTrader terminal. Drag and drop on the chart. This time, we don't get our output on chart or a pop-up window, but we get that output only here in Experts tab. This print function is helpful for troubleshooting our code. In today's tutorial we learnt Expert Advisor and Script options that appear while creating a new program in MetaTrader 4 or 5. We also learnt to write a program in MQL4 and 5 language that displays output on MetaTrader terminal in 3 different ways using comment, alert, and print functions. Our next tutorial topic is how to use different data types like numbers or text etc. in MQL4 or 5 programming language. So subscribe my channel to learn an easy way how to make trading bots using MQL4 or MQL5 programming language, and to learn my manual, as well as automated trading strategies.